What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I haven't really posted more content just to do that. I don't really have time anymore. I haven't really drove the truck. Actually, it's out here in my mom's house. It's all dirty. I haven't been to my mom's house for like a week already, so I'm here today, so I might as well gonna turn it on. Because I noticed that it was leaking. I just got here and I noticed it was leaking from the bottom. Oil, but I'm not really sure what it is. I'm trying to show you guys. So you guys can see it's all dirty. Just popped the hood right now.
Oh my god.
I should give it a little wash. Babe, can you start it? Just so I can record from this side.
I kept going on the phone.
Let's see if it starts. Well, don't go on it. Just like that. Hopefully it starts.
Doesn't want to turn on.
Nah?
It doesn't.
It doesn't? It's gonna be dead probably. Nah? It didn't? Hold up. Hold up, I think don't move it yet.
It is now because it's on.
Try it. Nah?
No, it's dead.
Hold up. I haven't fucking drove it all week. Try it. I don't want to. No? Let's see, hold the camera. Let me try turning the cables. Watch out the sticker. Oh yeah, it's gonna be this. I'm about to go get one of these. It's just broken though. Look. Ya se no agarra. Fuck it. Yeah. Fuck it. Sure. I don't know my dad has one. So you guys seen it broke? This thing broke. So we're gonna replace it right now. The other one. Shout out to George. Came through. He brought me some new ones. Like that we can start it up right now. Hopefully it didn't get too dark. If it don't get too dark, then we'll give it a little wash. See, it's dirty. So yeah, start changing them. So this is the radiator I was telling you about. It was big fans. There's one a lot better. Put that one on. You can tell that one was really old. I'll change that one right now. Let's see if it starts with that one. Just to show you guys because it's getting dark. It's all dirty, so I haven't used it for a while, like I said. And that's top notch. I still gotta fix my door panels, change my dash. Turn this off.